Welcome everyone to another video from Face Paint Forum Shop. I'm your artist rep Lily, and today we're going to create a cute and easy pumpkin design. So this seems to be my most popular design at pumpkin patch festivals, especially ones where we have to be really fast. I'm using my favorite fun stroke. This is Neon Nirvana, and also using my 5/8 angled protege brush. I create the N shape for the top of the pumpkin. I make sure to curve it around, and the bottom I want it sort of flat, just so we know that it can stand on its own. I go ahead and just blend those colors all together. The great thing about pumpkins is that they're all different shapes. So this particular design is pretty forgiving. Alright, now I have here my Low Cornell round number 3 with Superstar Green. It's the lighter green from the line. Now I've got my Low Cornell round number 3 loaded with DFX Black. We're going to go ahead and outline, dragging those lines down just a little bit to create that shape and creases of the pumpkin. Now I'm using a flick technique to create those creases within that pumpkin. This gives it so much more character. Now we'll go ahead and outline the top of the pumpkin, and I'm going to give it a little swirl here in the middle just because it looks so much more cute. Now we'll create our eyes by just stamping our brush down, adding some wispy little eyelashes, and a really cute smile. So now I've got my Low Cornell loaded with actually a mixture of white and Superstar Yellow. So here I'm creating the highlights. This is what really adds dimension to your design, to your pumpkins in particular. So here we'll just go around and create wispy lines within the face, and then a little bit thicker lines at the top and bottom of the pumpkin. I've got my brush loaded with DFX White. I went ahead and added a shine to her eyes, and we're also going to add swirls and teardrops. We'll add dots just for some interest to make it fun. Add a little shine at the top of our pumpkin. And this really beautiful chunky glitter comes to you dry actually when you order it from Face Paint Forum Shop. It's called Tiger Lily. It's really one of my most very favorites at the moment. So we'll just go ahead and spread it around the entire design. And this is what finishes it up. So kids, moms, everybody really loves this really cute pumpkin design. It gets asked for so often. I hope this really helps you with your really busy festivals. Here's a few that I've done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember that you can find these products and so much more at Face Paint Forum Shop.